Hey guys, this is Life Video and I just want to share this because I saw this post most of the time today. Today talaga siya nag-pop up sa feeds ko. Tapos, it talks about fake rich. Fake rich. So meaning to say, hindi totoong mayaman. Ikaw ba yun? Hindi. I just want to remind you guys na we are responsible with our own money. Whatever you want to do with your money, if you want to spend it in one snap, then go ahead. But I also learned from this post that because you are responsible with your money, you are also responsible in taking care of the blessings that you have. It doesn't mean that you have to fake everything. It doesn't mean that if you eat nice meal, it something shows that it's a fake rich. You're showing something that it's not you, because sometimes we want also to spend for ourselves, right? So it doesn't mean about like faking it, but of course you earn it, so you want to spend it also for yourself, not depriving yourself. But again, you are responsible with the blessings that you have. Okay, so manage well your finances, manage well your the blessings that you have. Okay, so it's not about faking everything, faking rich, because sometimes those faking rich na sinasabi nila is those people who are really not into just show up everything, but na walang ipon. Yun talaga yung mga taong ganun. So at the end of the day, okay lang gumasta, pero laging tandaan na mag-ipon. Mag-ipon, ipon, save, save, save. Hindi dahil sa dahil may mangyayari, but at least prepared ka. At least hindi ka punta dito, punta doon kung may mga hindi inasahang pangyayari. Again, yung emergency fund talaga is very important. So, hindi ako mayaman, hindi ako maraming ipon, pero I really try my best to save. Really. Kasi alam ko na at the end of the day, ako lang din yung pupuntahan. Alam niyo yun. Feel niyo yun. Basta. Yung faking rich na pinupost ngayon sa social media, it doesn't seems like you're faking everything. And kasi ang sinasabi nila, ay basta yun na yun. Kayo na lang mag-interpret para sa inyo, ha? God bless everybody. This is Life Video.